Welcome back to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. And today we're exploring a question that surprises many enthusiasts. Why can an old espresso machine sometimes produce better tasting coffee than a brand new one, even when the new machine is technically superior on paper? At first glance, this seems irrational because modern machines offer tighter temperature control, improved pressure stability, better materials, and advanced electronics, yet taste is not determined by specifications alone. It is shaped by thermal behavior, seasoning, operator familiarity, and system equilibrium. Older machines often develop a kind of mechanical maturity, where years of operation have stabilized internal components, smoothed thermal cycles, and conditioned surfaces inside boilers and group heads in subtle ways, creating consistent heat transfer characteristics that the user has unconsciously adapted to. Think of it like a cast iron pan that has been seasoned over time. It behaves predictably because both the material and the cook have learned each other. New machines, by contrast, can be thermally stiff and mechanically tight, requiring a break-in period where seals settle, heating elements cycle repeatedly, and the operator learns how quickly the group head responds under load. There is also the psychological dimension, where familiarity breeds precision, meaning a barista who has used the same machine for years understands its recovery rhythm, its pressure, behavior, and its micro quirks, and can compensate instinctively, whereas a new machine introduces unknown variables that disrupt workflow and timing. Water chemistry interacts differently with older machines as well, because slight internal mineral conditioning may alter heat exchange behavior in subtle but stable ways, while a freshly descaled or brand new boiler can respond more aggressively and reveal imbalances more clearly. Even pump characteristics evolve slightly over time, sometimes softening pressure ramps in ways that create gentler extractions compared to the sharper profiles of new components. Moreover, many modern machines prioritize precision and speed, which narrows tolerance and exposes grind distribution flaws more brutally, while older designs may inadvertently smooth pressure curves and mask micro inconsistencies, creating shots that feel rounder and more forgiving. This does not mean older machines are objectively better, but it does mean they operate within a different compromise window, often one that aligns better with the operator's established technique. In many cases, when someone says the old machine tasted better, what they are really describing is system harmony, a state where equipment behavior, workflow rhythm, grind calibration, and water chemistry have synchronized over time. New machines require recalibration of all those variables simultaneously. And until that equilibrium is reached, flavor may feel unstable or disappointing. There is also expectation bias at play, because higher price and newer technology create heightened standards, making minor imperfections more noticeable. True quality emerges not from novelty, but from stability. And stability comes from understanding, maintenance discipline, and adaptation. At BrewFix, we approach espresso machines as evolving systems rather than static appliances. And once you understand that taste is shaped by interaction between hardware, chemistry, and human familiarity, you stop assuming new equals better and start focusing on controlled equilibrium. Because great espresso is not about age, it is about alignment, keeping your machines understood, your system stable, and your mornings caffeinated through mastery rather than assumption.